Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making a new recipe, and it's a Paula Deen recipe, and it's brown sugar squares. It sounds good, sounds easy. You don't even have to get out your mixer, so that's a win-win. So I hope everybody's doing great today, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 egg, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of chopped nuts. I'm using walnuts. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to spray an 8x8 pan. And to my bowl, I'm going to add my egg, my brown sugar, my vanilla, and I'm going to mix that up really, really well. Now it's said in a separate bowl to sift your flour, your soda, and your salt. But I didn't see why I just couldn't do it in one bowl and not have to clean another bowl. So it worked out pretty good. And you see me sprinkling that, that's just some of the kosher salt, that some of the grains or flakes are too big to go through the sieve. So I just go ahead and just sprinkle it throughout after I've sifted everything together. And you just want to mix this until it's well combined. Then you want to add in your walnuts and mix until that's well combined, and then spread it into your 8-inch square greased pan. And you want to make sure that you just spread it out. And I tried with my spatula, and it was just so sticky, and I sprayed my spatula and it worked for a couple of times and it didn't, and I finally just got in there with my hands, my clean hands. It's my favorite tool. And now you want to bake it. It's set for about 18 minutes, but it really only took about 14 minutes in my oven. And here they are. And I believe I could have taken them out a little bit sooner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. These were really good. They were really easy to make, and it is something I'd probably make again. So y'all have a great, wonderful week. Until next time, bye y'all.